In this video, I will show you how to draw hexagonal bolt. Draw to scale 1:1 the front view and side view of an hexagonal headed bolt of diameter 30 mm, keeping the axis parallel to HP and VP. The length of the bolt is 120 mm. Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see how to draw hexagonal bolt. Hexagonal bolt, D is equal to 30. So 0.8D, 1.5D plus 3 and 2D plus 6. We'll find out all these values and we'll start with side view. 1.5D plus 3 we will take. See, we can take 1.5D or 1.5D plus 6, but we will take 1.5D plus 3. And we will draw hexagon across flat. We'll draw 30-30 degree on both the sides and we'll get the side of the hexagon. After taking this side, we'll cut on middle line like this and we will get hexagon. Now why we are starting with hexagon? Because axis is parallel to HP and VP. So side view will give you true shape. So first we will draw hexagon. After that we will draw chamfering circle. In nut and bolt we have a chamfering circle. So we will draw chamfering circle. After that we'll take D equals to 30. We'll draw this dotted circle and again we'll take 0.8D. That also will draw quarter, 3/4 quarter circle. See, diameter 30 and diameter 24. After that we will go for head of the bolt. We'll project from side view. We are drawing front view now. See this. This is 0.8D. It can be anything from 0.7D to D. So I am taking 0.8D. Then I am taking these two lines. Right? Now I'll take 60-60 degree with vertical. Wherever it will cut, from that point I can draw this middle radius. See this. Same way again I will take 60-60 degree, right? And I'll get these 2 points. See, this is the main radius, right? We took 60-60 degree from the corner and we got this radius. Now same way we took 60 from here, 60 from here. Now you draw line from side view. See this. From the chamfering circle you project. Wherever it will cut, from that point we will take 30 degree with vertical. This is chamfering. This is very important. See this. So from that point I will draw 30 degree with vertical. And we'll do it on the upper side also. Right? And now from this point I will draw radius and it will touch that chamfer. See this. We'll draw this radius. See, from this point to this radius, we'll draw this curve and then it will be a tangent. Same on the bottom side. Again we will draw radius and we'll draw tangent. So we are done with hexagonal bolt head. This is head of the bolt. So this much is done. Now we'll draw threading part, shank length, which is 120. So I will draw 120 mm long line and I will take, see, this is shank length and I'll take D and I will draw this radius. See this, now I'm projecting this diameter. Now I'll take 2D plus 6. The threading length is 2D plus 6, right? So we'll take 2D plus 6 and we'll draw this runoff angle, which is 30-30 degree. See this. So threading length is 2D plus 6, right? So that would be how much? Diameter. See, this is D, right? And this inside one is 0.8D, right? This is front view and left hand side view. Now if you see, DO by DI is 0.8, but it can be 0.84 also. DO is outer diameter and it can be 0.85 also, but I am taking DO upon DI, which is D upon DI is equal to 0.8. And if you see in this case, when you see from the front, you can't see threading, so that's why it is dotted in side view. If it is right hand side view, then it will be other way around. Then the threading will be dark and the chamfering circle will be dotted. Thank you. This is very important from the CBSE, diploma and ITI students point of view.